Welcome back to the Neha Academy. Questions on one questions of 1 mark, and I was dealing with the trigonometry question. It was on halfway. So I was explaining that you make the number the 63 degree in 27. How to make this? You know that secant square 90 minus 63 minus cos square 27. So you'll get secant square 19 minus is equal to cosecant square 27. 90 minus 63 is 27. So it is minus cos square 27. Cosecant square 27 minus cos square 27. See, cosecant square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. So answer will be 1. So students, very simple. So most students will get stuck over this kind of questions because they feel that this question is hard for them, it's challenging for them. Trigonometry is a question where you need much practice. So another one I can give you one more question is okay. Yeah, you can see this question different. There are questions on the 1 mark questions usually on trigonometry, irrational number. So you can ask this. They ask you to write a define rational irrational number. Define an irrational number. What is the answer you get? Define irrational number. When you say define a rational number, you should give specific number. Anybody has got very good answers, and those who are brilliant, those who are practice well, they know very much. I don't mind them. That is to give the answer straight away. So for the use for the purpose of some people who are not knowing the number, define irrational number means any number. Define an irrational number. Define irrational number. Define an irrational number. Any number, any number which which cannot be expressed, which cannot be expressed, which cannot be expressed in the form of a in the form of a p over q and non-terminating 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 and non-recurring decimal. Non-recurring decimal. Look at this definition. Those who do not know, please memorize this. This may come any number which cannot be expressed in the form of a p by q. Any number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q and non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Any number which cannot be expressed in the form of p over q and non-terminating non-recurring decimal. So very simple, very important questions. Students, what I want to say is you to this kind of question like irrational. It's not available. You see, in your textbook is given, but not exactly what the definitions like this. So one of the students asked me, there are a lot of confusion when you answer the one question, one more question. Yeah, this very objective type. They have a very specific answer. They were precise. They extract the knowledge, how much you have, how much you know, and how much skill you have. So you need one more question. Why it's confusing? The most of the questions they do it in for 1 mark questions, especially for those who want to take a full score, 100 of 100. For that, you need a lot of practice. Students, with my videos, I will practice more and more 1 mark questions, and in my next video, you can see that some more 1 mark questions we will be discussing. And meanwhile, also I'll prepare questions on a science lesson. And meanwhile, let me concentrate